So
nah, bro, you better not chicken out either.
I'm not.
Nah, bro.
She about to chicken out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. She's straight chicken.
Oh, look at that grill.
She finna chicken out.
Who buys?
Oh, they want to dance. They want to dance. Go you. Woo! Welcome back to Rolling with the Reeds. Got a major construction going on today. Major. Nah, not too major, but just a little painting in my daughter's room. First coat white. Terrible. Looks horrible. But just the first coat. Gonna go back over this. But this teal, mwah, mwah, magnifique. She's gonna love that. Woo!
Hey.
Got some major construction going.
Yep. Major.
Got one room done. You know, still a few touch-ups that we gotta do. And Javon's room. This white came out nice, crisp white room. Bed still up, you know, I haven't put the bed back, but you know, you can see it. But, got spot still dry. Nice, but once we take this tape down, put the furniture back, it's gonna look pretty. So, roll along with us, got a few more rooms to paint. Still gotta paint my son's room, got this whole house to paint. But stay along, roll along with us, rolling with the Reeds.
I know what plays sustain them by just the land. Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, ghosts, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
that for a wet willy, that was doing too much. It was just a little bit of spit in your ear. You don't have to do all that.
Now I got it.
My stomach hurt. You don't have to do all that.
It's tough, huh?
What'd you get?
What did he do to you?
Tried to kill me.
He tried to kill you.
Yeah, I could have died. She really sat on my chest.
Not.
I could have died.
I said on the stomach.
Same difference.
Really not.
Could have died.
You gave her a win with it? No. I pinched the fat.
Which hurt.
What's that, baby fat? Nah, but you better not chicken out either.
I'm not.
You about to chicken out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. She's straight chicken.
Ooh, look at that green.
She finna chicken out.
Ooh, that water dance. That water dance. Girl, you better not. Oh. Oh my God! Oh my God!